What is up, guys? Welcome back to Mad DIY. It's your boy Dave. Today we're going to cover this week's amazing 3D prints. I'm down here in the man cave. You got to check out the video before that. We just got the house, so we hooked it up, made it nice. Well, I lied. It's the man cave slash girl cave slash puppy cave. That's her cave over there. Got the little octagon there on Amazon. Threw all of her toys in there. Each toy has squeakies. I don't know. It's Tony's thing. Tony, you want your toys? Go get your toys. All right. But anyway, got to show you the 3D print. Here we go. Turning out fantastic. Your boy's doing some work here, putting in a lot of hours learning the different tricks of the trade. So let's start off with the very first two prints here. The first two aren't action figures or anything like that. They're actually things that will get a lot of usage. Now, Michelle and I, we both read a lot of books. So she loves butterflies, she loves purple. So I got her a little butterfly pin there so she can just stick it in there, use it as a bookmark. It kind of sticks out. Know that her hubby made her a nice little bookmark. The next thing I got is this little cool device. It actually has her name on there. And when she's reading, you know, sometimes you're reading books. I don't know how many of you guys read books or whatever, but when you're reading a book, trying to flip through the page, or not flip through the page, you're holding the book in your hand, it gets a little tiresome, and you try to hold it like this, especially if you're laying down. Use this cool little device. It separates the pages for you. Just add a little pressure, not even a little bit, spreads the pages. So those were the first two prints. These actually only took maybe about 4 to 5 minutes each or so. Very cool, very unique. I'll make sure I link all of these in the description. I either got them off of my mini factory or the Thingiverse. You can have these too. Next up, this was actually before we left California. Now, some of you guys who've been following, you know, we were out there in nice sunny California. Not there anymore. But anyway, this was one of the few prints that I had done right before we left. It's Reaper, the Halloween edition. Cool, I got this one off of my mini factory. He doesn't really sit up the right way. Kind of, if you look at his boots, his platforms, kind of leans back onto the tail of the coat, but it works. So I'm gonna get him to stick to a platform, put some two-sided tape maybe underneath his boots. But I thought the details in this guy was amazing. From guns that he has, his pumpkin head. You love this figurine. This was amazing. This one probably, I think it took me roughly about 6 hours. Next up, we got two of the same prints, but on different filaments. I wanted to try a couple things out. Now this is just a typical regular PLA filament. This was actually purple filament. I painted it black because I was going to use this, and these are guitar holders. And I'm going to put the links to this one also as well in the description. Two different types of filament. Now I had this one spool, I never used it. I was like, you know what, let me try it. It was real soft. I mean, it's very easy to bend. So you can actually tell the difference there. Sorry, I got a little paint that stuck to the paper, that'll wipe right off. It has your things where you can put your brackets there to mount it to the wall to hold your guitar. The difference in filament, if you look at both hands, I'm gonna apply the same amount of pressure to each of the ends. Look at that. This one here allows you to actually bend it. It come in handy with a lot of good figurines. But let's see if this guy works. I'm gonna use this for this guy over here. And what we're gonna do is just simply pop this on the wall, drop that in there, hold your guitar on display next to Hulk. Next up, we got Deadpool holding Groot hostage. I am Groot. This one, great details. The only thing that happened was I did drop him. The print didn't come out fully with the legs. It kind of looks like a Funko Pop, which is kind of cool. But the sword on the back broke off. Wah, wah, wah. It was the purple filament. I didn't want to paint his entire outfit. I was just trying something. Like you guys know, I'm just now learning using acrylic paint set to try to apply details to the print. I drew the little sad face on Groot. He doesn't like it. Painted the pistols gray one, and his other holster there is gray. I thought the details on this guy was amazing as well. The reason why I did leave him purple as well too is because the purple Deadpool is Terror. And if you guys don't know who he is, let me show you. So here you got Terror. He's actually a Hot Topic exclusive Funko Pop. Looks very similar. I mean, I could paint the eyes white. I don't know why I didn't think to paint the eyes white. Lastly, we got your boy Sonic. Sonic came out amazing. I spent a lot of time with this one with the paint. A lot of details there. I'll go ahead and drop the link of this one as well in the description. Actually looks better than the guy who put his out there and he painted it. Believe it or not, this was actually printed in purple filament also. My father was just here. We were going over a couple other things. Actually showed him the Sonic. He thought I actually bought that from the store. So Sonic came out amazing. It was a really nice print. I think Sonic took a total of about 7 hours. There was a lot of details. He's a little bit heavier there. And this was just with the purple PLA filament. And The link is down there at the bottom. So let me know what you guys think about Sonic. There we have it. This is this week's amazing 3D prints. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Leave a comment, leave a like. Let me know what you think. Next week's 3D prints are going to be fantastic. It's a big thing that's going on in the gaming world, and it's kind of a little debate here and there, and I'd like to see what you guys think about that. So that's coming up, so make sure you stay tuned in. Thank you guys once again for subscribing. Stay tuned in. It's your boy Dave, Mad DIY, signing out till next time. Peace.